Okay, let's get at it.
Woo! Yay, hiking.
Good morning. It is September 13th, 2021. Day 104. Is that what we're looking at? Fuzzy caterpillar. Yeah, so we're continuing our rehab week or two. And set off a few minutes ago. We've got about 5 miles that are going to be similar to our end of day yesterday, which is going to be mostly flattish pasture walks. So that's nice. And then we'll do 5 miles of up and down 4 climbs, including, oh, I don't remember the name of the yeah, no, the name of our climb.
Is it Butcher Hill?
Butcher Hill?
Maybe.
Yeah, that sounds like it might be right. And then we finish up after about 10.5 miles at Whiskey Springs. So that's our plan for the day. Should be a early afternoon again, or mid-afternoon. And looking forward to it. You'll see out there. Actually, that first big climb is Center Point, what?
Knob.
Center Point Knob. It is not Butcher Hill.
Oh, sorry.
So Center Point Knob is going to be our big climb, followed by 3 more smaller climbs to finish out the afternoon. Okay, now we'll see you out there. We are still making it along the trail.
Oh.
Having a good morning of it.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Haven't quite reached the town of Boiling Springs yet, but that's our next big destination up ahead. Okay, we just passed by the Cumberland Valley ATC office in the hopping town of Boiling Springs. This is quite the walk in the park. You could have lunch in the gazebo, throw some tortillas to the ducks. Or not. We'll just check them out as we go by.
Well, this is a heck of a nice part of trail. We just passed the Boiling Springs ATC office. I guess it's closed because of COVID. But there's this beautiful path. This is the AT. Going right around Children's Lake. With a whole gaggle of geese. It is a beautiful day. It's Monday, September 13th. And it's gorgeous out. We're supposed to get rain later this week. But for right now, I am very happy to walk on this path for a little bit. And that mountain hill behind the trees is where we're headed in about a mile.
Okay, well, we've got a nice breeze up here at Center Point Knob. What I didn't realize until I just read the comments on the map a little while ago is this is Center Point Knob because in the original trail apparently this was the half halfway point.
Used to be much shorter.
Used to be much shorter. So yeah, that Earl Schaefer guy, he was a wimp. He didn't have those extra 50 miles or whatever. Yeah. Okay. I think we're gonna get some lunch soon, either here or right down the hill. I like the breeze here though.
Sounds good.
Coming through a nice section of trail on our last mile or so. Bunch of nice stealth sites we've been passing. A lot of good rock formations. Not a bad place to be hiking. It's been a funny day. The first half was all just open pastures, and then the second half has been regular trails walking and woods walking. Okay, we'll see you at the end. Okay, it is end of day 104, so we're at Whiskey Rocks and calling it the end of day. A good 10.1 miles today, so a nice shorter day, and I think we survived again.
All good.
All good, okay. So we'll stretch it out a little bit further tomorrow with 13 plus, but we're taking our recovery week the way we want to. How was your day?
Today was good. The first 5.5 miles or so were still in Cumberland Valley, so around fields, and it was really kind of fun because we would zigzag around, literally around like a soybean field or whatever. It was just kind of neat. And then the last 4.5 miles or so, I guess, we're up and over a couple of climbs. Nothing big or crazy, but that's good for me to get some elevation ups and downs and some rocks, and again, just increasing my capability to hike out here.
Yeah. Any highlights, lowlights?
Those were the highlights.
Okay.
That was all good. How about you, highlights and lowlights?
Sure. People, I guess. We met a bunch of really day hikers who we kind of chatted with, and they were all friendly. And then the two long hikers. One was a SOBO hiker, I guess, yesterday, and one was a Eastern Seaboard Trail guy today.
They were not chatty.
They didn't want to give us the time of day.
No,
so
they're on a mission, man.
Yeah, I'm happy that we're still willing to chat with folks and at least give a friendly smile, if nothing else.
Gotta enjoy the journey. Okay, I do have one minor low light. The bugs today were annoying as a poop cake when we got back into the woods.
They've been waiting for you.
Highlight, we were up at, what the heck was it called?
Center Point Knob?
Center Point Knob, which is the original halfway point of the AT, which is nice. We're still about 11 miles from the halfway point for Jim this year, which is fantastic, or for the trail this year. It's not my halfway point because I've missed some miles, but we'll cross that tomorrow, which is really fun.
Yep. Okay.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.